the ultimate day of the penultimate round of the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy 24-25 between Kerala and Madhya Pradesh from the Greenfield International Stadium. It's Kerala won the toss, put MP in. 160 is what MP got in the first innings. Kerala replying with 167 for 9. MP in their second innings showing their true colours, 369 for 8 declared. Kerala in reply with 28 no loss with 2 balls to go, and they lost Chandran in the second last ball on day 3, and here they are on 28 for 1, and they trail by 335 runs. Sean Roger, these players around him and the bowler will be on to him. He is somebody who's required in the middle.
अगर आप कार्तिकेय की बात करें और जिस तरह पिच रिपोर्ट की बात हो रही थी कि ये पिच में जो क्रैक खुल गए हैं, बेहतरीन ऑर्थोडॉक्स लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिन करके ओवर की समाप्ति। हवा में कट जरूर किया, लेकिन कहते हैं ना, इफ यू फ्लैश हार्ड, और वही क्या करूं मान लो। जोरदार अपील और इसी के साथ रॉजर का विकेट, पहली सफलता मिलती हुई कुलदीप सेन। और मैं इसी की चर्चा कर रहा हूं कि कुलदीप सेन, इट माइट बी कुलदीप सेन डे, क्योंकि उनको अपनी छाप छोड़नी है इस मैच में, काफी समय के बाद आ रहे हैं।
He's gone for 1. Kerala lose their second with 33.
और नए बल्लेबाज आए हैं सचिन बेबी। और जोरदार अपील, और इसी के साथ तीसरे विकेट का पतन, कट कर अंदर की तरफ आई, कोई मौका नहीं था। हालांकि उनका ये मानना कि उनके बल्ले पर लगी थी, लेकिन लगा नहीं।
Kunamal could have done. He's gone for 8 and a spot of bother. Kerala 33 for 3. Nizar comes in. He's got turn 8 with an average of 69.
Playing a miss and given. In fact, he's nicked it to the keeper. For a moment, it looked like the ball seemed quite a lot, but that was due to the edge that the ball found on its way to the keeper.
सचिन बेबी वापस पवेलियन में जा रहे हैं 3 पर, और केरला 37 पे 4.
Mohammad Azharuddin is averaging 31.09. Beautifully bowled, and that's gone through the gate. Brilliant delivery this from Kartikeya. Nizar was against sea. He didn't know what was going on. Couldn't read the turn of the surface, and that's the 5th wicket gone.
सलमान निज़ार 5 पर आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए 47 पर 5 केरला।
The star performer for Kerala, Jalaj Saxena, walking out to bat at the fall of Nizar's wicket. And that's a cheeky shot from Jalaj Saxena. He'll get a boundary for that. He will open his account.
रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर, पैरों में गेंद और उसका भरपूर फायदा उठाया। बीट लेग स्टंप के बाहर, वहां पर विकेट कीपर बीट हो गए। बाय का इशारा आता अंपायर द्वारा।
That's a good shot. Good sweep outside the off stump by Jalaj. Jalaj is one player who will not keep quiet. He'll keep on playing his strokes.
बेहतरीन शॉट, 4 रन आएंगे यहाँ पर अजहरुद्दीन के बल्ले से।
Last ball coming up, and that's a good quick short ball. Superb delivery by Kuldeep Sen. End of the 44th over, 88 for 5 Kerala.
और समय हो गया लंच का, और लंच के समय केरला 88 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर 31.1 ओवर में 60 रन और 4 विकेट्स। और जो 4 विकेट्स आई है ना, यहाँ पर तारीफ करनी होगी गेंदबाजों की।
Azharuddin, the more dominant partner over here, 26 of 68. Jalaj Saxena, been there, done it, 16 of 38. Yeah, that's been the story all day, on the money. That's gone through everything. Hasn't quite turned, looking for the turn from outside leg stump. It's a little bit of a tickle also.
बेहतरीन शॉट, शॉर्ट ऑफ लेंथ बॉल, लेंथ से बैक फुट पर गए, कट कर दिया।
Full toss to start this over. That's put away nicely by Mohammad Azharuddin. Playing the sweep, and there's a big appeal from everybody, and Tanmay Srivastava gives it in favor of the bowler. In fact, Jalaj Saxena walked immediately as soon as the catch was taken by the keeper, and that also helped Tanmay Srivastav in making the decision.
अच्छी पारी उन्होंने खेली, 32 बनाए, 121 पर 6 केरला ने बल्लेबाज आदित्य सरवटे.
अच्छा कलाइयों का उपयोग, बेहतरीन शॉट, बल्लेबाजी के लिए जाने जाते हैं और 4.
Oh, that stayed so low. That really stayed very low.
कुछ करिश्मा कर सकते हैं, हाथ खोलने का मौका कट कर दिया और इसी के साथ अजरुद्दीन का अर्धशतक पूरा. कमाल की बल्लेबाजी, विपरीत परिस्थितियों में बल्लेबाजी.
रन जाएंगे यहाँ पर, रन जाएंगे. खराब लाइन लेग स्टंप के बाहर. छोटी गेंद डालते हैं, ये छोटी गेंद डालते हैं.
Another one. And this time it's another 6. Wow, 50 for Sarwade. He's helped himself to some very, very useful runs.
53 पे खेल रहे हैं मोहम्मद अजरुद्दीन और 51 पर खेल रहे हैं सरवटे. चौथे दिन के पहले सेशन में 31.1 ओवर 60 रन 4 विकेट्स, वहाँ पर हल्ला बोला था मध्य प्रदेश ने, लेकिन दूसरे सत्र में 27 ओवर 95 रन और 1 विकेट, और वो 1 विकेट गिरा है जलज सक्सेना का.
Sarvate in the second innings has made it count. He's hit 4 fours and 6 sixes.
और मोहम्मद अजरुद्दीन और सरवटे दोनों क्रीज पे टिके हुए हैं और एक अच्छी पार्टनरशिप.
Yeah, easy runs. There you go. There you go. That one has gone through. It's kept low. That is where Azharuddin is looking absolutely distraught. That's what the new ball can do. Just skid it through even before the bat could come down. Probably below the bat. That'd be an interesting watch in the replay. That's the crack they needed.
मोहम्मद अजरुद्दीन 68 के स्कोर पर आउट होकर पवेलियन लौटते हुए 211 पर 7.
Fabulous play, Baba Aparajit.
और बेहतरीन शॉट, अच्छा ड्राइव, और यही खासियत है नई बॉल की, सिर्फ टाइम भर कर दिया. बॉल सीमा रेखा के पार. बिल्कुल जैसे हाफ वॉली आई, एक करारा प्रहार. कलाइयों का बेहतरीन उपयोग, एक और चौका.
Beautiful. Just clipped through mid wicket. Beautiful shot. Bit of a chase which the fielder will give up.
और अच्छी बात क्या है, जहां मौका मिलता है उस मौके को भुनाते हैं. ये गया बॉल, पड़ने के बाद हल्का सा बाउंस और बिल्कुल बल्ले के ऊपर लगी और आसान सा कैच स्लिप्स के अंदर.
Brilliant innings of 80 comes to an end. Another twist to the tail. 248 for 8.
नितेश आए हैं बल्लेबाजी करने के लिए.
That one turned and it started off from outside the leg stump and kept going. That's played away through the offside, and it was timed well as well by Aparajit. He'll get a boundary for that effort. And the square leg fielder was brought in, but Kuldeep Sen stuck to his plan and easily put away by Aparajit. Another boundary for the right-hander. Playing it with the lord of control is Aparajit.
आखिरी गेंद अच्छी, सेकंड लास्ट गेंद अच्छी तरह से डिफेंड किया अपराजित ने.
And his reaction says it all. And there is absolute delight in the Kerala dugout. That's the end of the over. Kerala 268 for 8. They batted 104 overs to get there. Importantly, they've drawn this game. They were in a precarious situation in the morning session, and they're placed at number 2 in the points table, and they'll stay there because of this draw that they've earned. They had to fight hard for this draw. This has been an engrossing game. This Madhya Pradesh were bowled out for 160 in the first innings, and Kerala were bowled out for 167 in the first innings. Aparajit retired early, didn't bat, that's why it's showing 9. Madhya Pradesh got 369 for 8 in the second innings. They declared when they got to that score, and Kerala left a target of 363, ended at 268 for 8, and the match ended in a draw. Kerala took the first innings lead, and as a result of that, they secured 3 points.